Welcome to Asunlocker solution. We are going to help you how to remove the FRP Alcatel B Alcatel 5048U. Alcatel 5048U. You can see the model in here. 5048U. We are going to remove the FRP this model. You can see here the FRP logo, and we will remove it right now. First, power off. Open the TSM tool pro. You can see here that I have already opened the TSM. Select the MediaTek option. You can see here the MediaTek service option. Remove FRP. Click on start option and connect the USB cable. Press volume up down both button and connect USB cable. Press volume up and down both button and then click then connect USB. Success. For remove success, you can see here the success message on tool wipe FRP partition. Okay, you can see the option, and phone going to be power on automatically. Escape. Don't copy. You can see the skip option right now. Escape. Escape. Not now. Skip anyway. Escape. And finish. Thanks for watching my video, and keep using TSM Tool Pro. TSM Tool Pro is the best tool for Samsung KG lock and finance lock remove and MDM remove, and a lot of brand and model supported here. You can see the Samsung, Motorola, Xiaomi, LG, Huawei, MediaTek, Universal, and Snapdragon, SPD, Unisoc, General, and CDMA. Samsung, a lot of model supported KG lock, network unlock, flash. You can see here the option. Remove FRP, remove KG, remove factory reset. Best tool for Samsung KG lock and finance lock remove. Keep using the TSM Tool Pro, and to buy the TSM Tool Pro, visit asunlocker.com. Thanks for watching my video again.